events now get underway. It's back to my commentator in the commentator's box.
Having a look on men's 3000 meters final, Jayakant and Vidhusan from Sri Lanka, Dhendu Pema from Bhutan, Badal Karki in 208 bib number from Nepal, Shahrukh Khan, one of the star athletes from India in bib number 167, Kevindu Madhushan from Sri Lanka, Rifa Abdullah from Maldives, Mohit Chaudhary from India, Ajay Abike from Nepal in bib number 207. And the last athlete, Shafiu Mohammad Ayan from Maldives. A total of 9 athletes participating in men's 3000 meters final.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now be witnessing the victory ceremony of Rawat Meher, Arjuna awardee 3000 meter bronze medal winner in the Asian Games 1986. Accompanied by Mr. Mohan Babu, Joint Secretary of Tamil Nadu Athletics Association. On the victory podium of discus throw for junior women, it is Gauranani of Sri Lanka winning the bronze medal for 37.95 meters.
It's 09.97 Ajay Kumar Patel as they set out. 3000 divided by 400 meters, that's what they are going to run. This is of course the early part of the event. We have a total of 9 starters. There are 3 and 3. There are 5 of them bunched together. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 who have started. Going into the lead is the first of them, early days, Ajaya BK of Nepal. The Nepal contingent is staying in a hotel, so we always have the fascination. Oh, there's a sudden move there. Swarnlata, that move, look at that move, look at that difference in the early part here as they would complete the first round. They've got 7 to go from here on. Goes into the early lead is the strong Indian out here. There are a total of 2 Indians. Mohit Chaudhary representing India. And Mohit Chaudhary incidentally was 6th in the 2010-24 Khelo India Youth Games at Chennai, 8 minutes 21.05. The record of 7 minutes, 8 minutes 09.97, Ajay Kumar Patel, 2008 at Bangkok. It's an event which is run at various international meets. The 2 Indians, Swarnlata, now taking over the 2 Indians with Mohit Chaudhary and along with him Shahrukh Khan. Now incidentally, Shahrukh Khan finalist in the 2024 Lima World Championship, so he should be the favorite between the 2 of them.
Yes, Mohit Chaudhary, still we can see him in the up front after that first lap. We can see Mohit 6th in the 2024 Khelo India Youth Games at Chennai, which happened earlier. Completed at a timing of 8 minutes 21.05 seconds. The personal best of him. And followed by Shahrukh Khan, the finalist in 2024 Lima World Championships under 20. Still the lead continues with the 2 Indians.
So it is Mohit Chaudhary with 5 laps to go. There you are. This is the place from where we'll have to go for 5 laps, which means 2,000 meters as of now. Swarnalatha with the lead that these two have maintained. The battle is between the two Indians for sure. You know, 2,000 meters is a long distance for you. But these are young, experienced lads. One of them, 2024 Khelo India Youth Games at Chennai, this very ground that we were here to do the live telecast, and then you got Shah Rukh Khan now in the lead. He's been the finalist in Lima, so that is creditable. He's come with experience. Once again, no jet lag. The Lima World Championships were held just about 10 days ago. 55 hours of flight that they tell me. They fly economy class and they're out here. No sleep, no training, no preparation. And look at these two out here. Look at the distance between them and the next, virtually close to 80 meters, Swarnalatha.
No matter how many championships they've won, they perform, they come back, the focus is on the performance. The 3,000 meters a middle distance track event that requires a combination of endurance, speed and tactical racing.
Yes. Yes, for sure. It is a contest that we all know. Fought on the battleground of your own body. It's your own body, it's not your opponent. It's not Shah Rukh Khan or Mohit Chaudhary, it's your own body that you got to really take care of, with specific demands upon the will which are different in nature from those experienced in power events. And although the will is central to distance events, there are activities which are capable of analysis in the same way as other athletic events. Look at them go there. They would now come to the finish, from where on it will be so close. They're virtually halfway through now, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. The record out here, as I said earlier on. And if you look at Swarnalatha, at some of the others, these are the boys and the girls. There was a Nepalese who started off well. I thought his intention was clear. But these two boys have made it amply clear. 809.27, Ajay Kumar Patel at Bangkok. The Maldives 941.2. They have 2 runners out there in the second pack. And for Nepal, Ajit Kumar Yadav, he holds their record with 8 minutes 30.82. Ajaya BK is their athlete out here. This is a view from the top. They are now lapping one of the athletes, which is what the strength of these two Indians is, Swarnalatha.
Yes, the race covers a distance of 7.5 laps around a standard 400 meters outdoor track. Athletes start from a staggered position to ensure that all runners cover the same distance. The race begins with the sound of a gun and all athletes must remain in their assigned lanes until they reach the first turn. Still the lead continues with the 2 Indians. What a pace it was, Milind.
2 to go. So 2 more to go as they would now slowly approach. They are at the far end. That's the back straight where they now turn at the 200 meters mark. And when they do come to the finish line, they'll have 2 laps to go from there on, 800 meters. They are once again going to lap some of the others very shortly. They have dominated this event for sure. The physical elements, as we all know, of the long distance event, the 3,000, the 5,000 and the 10,000. He's now had a plan. This boy has a plan in mind. Shah Rukh Khan suddenly decides to break away from his compatriot Mohit Chaudhary. Swarnalatha, both these boys have practiced together, trained together for India at various meets, so they know the psychology of either of them. The question is, who has that mental resolve in the end? Very shortly, as they are once again back to the fast straight, getting into the home straight in a short while from now. This battle continues. Do you want to put a thumb on who's going to win?
It is very tough for me also. Equally they are Mohit and Shahrukh. Now we can see the final finish, the pace we can see from this athlete. What a pace it was. The finish run, fantastic.
Well, surely he came up with a sizzler there towards the end. The others now started coming back. But these are the two boys from India, Shahrukh Khan, Mohit Chaudhary. These are the other finishers, but by that time, Shahrukh Khan and Mohit Chaudhary have gone across to say good evening to their coaches, good evening to their fans. And oh yes, surely they are happy, needless to say. They know that the finish, the 3000 meters, is one grueling stuff.
Yes, the boy from Nepal finally the first opening medal for their country. Ajay BK in bib number 207 had completed to take out that bronze medal. The celebration started for these two young athletes, Mohit Chaudhary and Shahrukh Khan. What a timing it was, Milind.
Oh yes, while we do wait for the official timing, but oh yes, they surely go in the air. That's the joy. This is a different Shahrukh Khan. This is a Shahrukh Khan with our star, the star in athletics. Well, the others go down. The 3000 meters, certainly the 9 odd minutes has taken a toll on these athletes. Well, some of them now finishing way behind. We'll wait for the official confirmation of the time to come in, whether it was a record 809.97, but they surely ran a superlative race. The two of them left everyone behind. Swarnalata, perhaps the two of them said, हमको जल्दी जाना है, मरीना बीच देखना है. That's what they did. So here we are, 8:26.06. It's not a record, but nevertheless he takes the gold, 8:27.61. The silver to Mohit Chaudhary, the two Indians. So one more gold for India this evening. And the Nepalese, we're going to meet him in the lobby today. Ajaya BK, 908.91. The Nepalese record was 830.32. Ajay Kumar Yadav, 2019 in Hong Kong. But he's got a bronze medal. And the best part is, as we will now go across